Understanding trigonometric ratios. Communication question 8, C8. We know that ratio of sine and cosine is tangent. What is the ratio of tangent and cotangent of an angle? Well, that is kind of interesting, and let's try to sketch a diagram and then relate the two. So let's say this is our right triangle and that's my 90 degrees here, and let me say that the sides which we have are A, B and C. So let's say this is A, this is B and C. And the angle which we are talking about, we can take this angle as A, this angle as B because the side opposite, right? And this vertex should be labeled as C. So that's the scenario. We say, well, we know that the ratio of sine and cosine is tangent. I hope you know that. And that is tangent is always ratio of sine over cosine of an angle. So this is always true. Now what we need to do is to figure out what is the ratio of tangent to cotangent. Okay, so in this triangle we can take one angle, and let's take our angle as this angle B, right? So ratio of tangent and cotangent means we are trying to find tan of B divided by cot of E, cotangent of B, right? Now what is tan? Tan of B is opposite over adjacent, which is B over A. So we have B over A divided by cotangent is what? Is reciprocal of tan. It is A over B, right? It is A over B. And well, B over A divided by A over B is kind of writing like this. B over A times, so it is A over B, so it will flip and give us B over A, correct? So that becomes B over A whole square. And we know B over A is actually tan, right? So that gives us tan square B. So tan B over its reciprocal makes it square of tan. Well, that is what I think we should have expected, and that's what we get, correct? So when you flip this and multiply, you get tan, correct? So it makes sense. The other way to look into this was that we could have written this as tan B times what is cot. When we say divide by cot, that means divide by cot. Cot is 1 over tan B. Divide by tan B, right? Tan B divided by 1 over tan B. That means we could write that as tan B times tan B, correct? That will be equals to tan square B, right? Reciprocal. It's like dividing a number by its reciprocal, not multiplying, right? So the confusion here is many times people think we are just multiplying the number with its reciprocal and expected answer is 1. But no, this is a multiple choice question, and many times I've seen students making mistake in this multiple choice question, right? Because one of the options there will be 1, correct? And that is marked by many students at times. So take a time to think, look and solve before making a choice. Thank you.